All right, there's another round of the 10-minute warm-up. We're going to take this pretty far into the hips. Other areas as well, of course, but to get started, go ahead and bring yourself into a horse stance. And this is basically just a wide-legged squat. So go ahead and set your feet wide, heels in, toes out. And then just keep your hands on your thighs, or bring your hips down low. Try to get your thighs down toward parallel with the floor. Once you settle in here, just move around side to side. Feel things out. And maybe step your feet out a little bit wider, as you start to get used to this. All right, and then to warm things up a little bit further, keep your hips down low. And just bring your fingertips down to the floor. Keep the fingertips down and go side to side. Lift your right heel, straighten your left leg out. Come up through center. Lift your left heel, sink to this side, right leg straight. And then through center, come over to the right side again. Bring it back through center, stay low, come over to your left side. Back through center, sink down to the right again. And then through center, come down over to the left. And 2 more rounds. Through center, bring it over to the right side again. And then through center to your left side. And then back over to the right one more time. Bring yourself over to the left side one more time. And then just come back to center. Now once you're ready here, one at a time, bring your hands down behind you. And then go ahead and sit down. And we're going to take this into something like a reverse tabletop setup. We're going to work this so that we can twist a little bit here. Now keep your hands behind your shoulders about shoulder width, fingertips pointing to the sides, right or left. Push down, lift your seat up off the floor. And then heels in, toes out, keep your feet set wide. And we're going to lift the hips, but I want you to twist first. So keep your feet tense. Try to curl your toes up off the floor and keep them curled. Roll your heels, or actually bring your knees over to the right side. And then lift your hips, squeeze your glutes as much as you can. Sink the hips back down. Knees through center, over to your left. And then lift your hips and squeeze your glutes. Sink down. Bring the knees through center to the right again. Squeeze your glutes. Lift your hips. Sink down. Knees through center to the left side. Squeeze your glutes and lift your hips. And then come down. Knees through center to the right. Squeeze your glutes and lift your hips up again. Bring it down. Knees through center to the left side one more time. Squeeze your glutes and lift your hips. And then come back to center. Set your feet flat. Set yourself all the way down. Take a moment. Just shake your hands out a little bit. And then we'll just take full reverse tabletop. So feet hips width, hands behind the shoulders, shoulder width. Fingertips forward. If you can always rotate your fingers to the sides, whatever is best for your wrists. So just push down, lift your seat up off the floor. And let's go up and down. Press your hips up and squeeze your glutes. And then sink back down. Hips up high again. And then come back down. Lift your hips and squeeze your glutes. Sink back down. Press your hips up high. And then lower back down. Hips up one more time, and this time just hold. Keep your glutes squeezing, keep pushing up. Lift your chest. You can look forward, look up, or hang your head back, but keep breathing here. And then take an inhale. And with the exhale, come all the way down. Now once you're down, just take a moment and shake your hands out a little bit. And then we'll take this a little bit further into the hips, and this is going to be from a reclining position. So why don't you extend your left leg straight. And then come down onto your left forearm and bring the right hand in front of your chest. So the left hip is on the floor, right foot stays flat, but keep the foot behind your left leg. Push down, lift your hips up off the floor, and stay lifted here. Now this might be enough, and you can stay like this. If you can go further, bring the right hand to your hip. And then we're going to lift the left leg. I want you to try to rotate the big toe so it points up toward the ceiling. Keep that toe lifted. And go back and forth. Left foot up as high as you can lift. Bring the heel down. Left foot up for 2. And then come back down. Left foot up for 3. Come back down again. Left foot up for 4. And bring it back down. Left foot up for 5. Come back down. Lift up for 6. And bring it back down. Up for 7. Bring it down again. Lift up for 8. And then bring it down. Now up for 9. Bring it back down. And then up for 10. Bring it down and come all the way down. And just bring yourself up through center. And let's switch sides. Right leg straight, left knee bent, left foot flat. Come down onto the right forearm. Bring the left hand in front of your chest. Now left foot's behind the right leg. Go ahead, lift your hips up off the floor. And if you can take it further, bring the left hand to your hip. Now, if you're going to lift, go ahead and rotate the right big toe toward the ceiling. Try to keep the toe pointed up. Back and forth. Lift the right foot up as high as you can. And bring the heel down. Lift up for 2. And come back down. Up for 3. Bring it down again. Up for 4. And bring it back down. Up for 5. Bring it back down. Up for 6. And bring it back down. Up for 7. Bring the heel down. Up for 8. And bring it back down. Up for 9. Bring it back down. And then up for 10. And bring it down one more time. Set yourself down. Take a moment. Shake your legs out a little bit. And then come over to the left side again. So left leg straight, right knee bent. Come down to the left forearm. And right hand in front of your chest. Now this time, the right foot's on the floor, but bring that right foot in front of your left leg. And this will make things quite a bit different. Now push to the floor. Lift your hips up and stay lifted. Now it's enough to stay in this position if it feels intense. But if you can go further, bring the right hand to your hip. And then to move, you're going to pull the left knee forward and thread the leg through, extending in front and then extending behind. So pull the left knee to your chest, extend the leg in front, pull the knee in, and extend behind. Pull the knee in, extend in front again. Pull the knee in, extend behind. Pull the knee in, extend in front. Pull the knee in, extend behind. Pull the knee in, extend in front. Pull the knee in, extend behind. One more time. Pull the knee in, extend in front, and then pull the knee in and extend behind. Set yourself down. Bring yourself up through center. And of course, we got to take the other side. When you're ready, extend the right leg straight. Come down to the right forearm, left hand in front of your chest. Left foot flat, step it down in front of your right leg. Now lift your hips up off the floor, stay lifted. And if you can go further, left hand to your hip. Back and forth, threading the right leg through. Pull the knee to your chest. Extend the leg in front. Pull the knee in. Extend behind. Pull the knee in. Extend in front. Pull the knee in. Extend behind. Pull the knee in. Extend in front. Pull the knee in. Extend behind. Pull the knee in. Extend in front. Pull the knee in. Extend behind. Pull the knee in. Extend in front. Pull the knee in. Extend behind. One more round. Pull the knee in. Extend in front. Pull the knee in. And extend behind. Set yourself down. Come up to a seat. Shake your legs out a little bit. And then when you're ready, go across the ankles. Come forward. Your hands come into all fours. Now, wrists underneath the shoulders and knees underneath your hips. Bring the hands in close, about one hand's length forward of your knees. Now, keep your palms down. Rotate your fingertips to the side and then in the direction of your feet. Come as far as you can in that rotation. Spread your fingers wide, dig your fingertips down, and circle your shoulders with your wrists. Feel this out. All right, now from here, just look forward, start with your arms straight, and go forward and back. Bend the elbows underneath you and just sink your shoulders down. Press back up the straight arms. And again, come forward, bend the elbows. Press back up the straight. Shoulders forward, elbows underneath. Back up the straight arms. Shoulders forward, elbows underneath. Now just lower to where you can and hold here. Let your shoulders and your hips move side to side, but keep gripping with your fingers. All right, and then go ahead, straighten your arms, come back up, and then come up onto the fingertips and down to sitting on your heels. And then just take a moment, shake your hands out, loosen up your fingers and your wrists. All right, once the hands are ready, come back to all fours. Wrists underneath the shoulders, knees underneath the hips. And we're going to take this into spinal balance from here. So just keep your gaze down, but extend the crown of the head forward. Keep your neck in line with the rest of your spine. Reach your right arm straight forward and extend your left leg straight back and just hold here. Now keep your hips squared, keep your chest facing down. Now take an inhale. Exhale, squeeze an elbow to knee underneath. Inhale, reach. Exhale, elbow to knee. Take it slow. Inhale, reach. Exhale, elbow to knee. Inhale, reach. Exhale, elbow to knee again. And then inhale, reach. Exhale, elbow to knee one more time. Now reach this out long and look forward. Bend your left knee. Reach your right hand back and find your left foot. Once you've got that grip, kick into your hand. Pull your shoulder forward to bring the knee up higher. Hold here. And then take an inhale. And with the exhale, just release. Bring both hands down and both knees down. And let's take the other side. Now again, keep your spine long. Keep your neck in line with the rest of your spine. Reach your left arm forward this time. And extend your right leg back. Now take an inhale here. Exhale, elbow to knee underneath. Take it slow. Inhale, reach. Exhale, elbow to knee. Inhale, reach. Exhale, elbow to knee again. Inhale, reach. And then exhale, elbow to knee. Now inhale, reach. Exhale, elbow to knee one more time. Inhale, reach this out long. Stay reaching, look forward. Bend your right knee. Reach your left hand back. Find the right foot. Once you've got that grip, kick into your hand. Pull the shoulder forward. Lift the right knee high. And just hold your balance. Keep breathing here. And then take an inhale. Exhale, release. Both hands down, both knees down, back to all fours. And just move your hips around for a moment. Now, keep the wrists under the shoulders and knees underneath your hips. Tuck the toes of both feet. Hover your knees up off the mat. And then press in your palms, sink your seat down to your heels. Back and forth with the cross step. From underneath, step your right foot forward to the left. And then sink back down to the heels. Left foot forward to the right. And then sink down. Right foot to the left side again. Back down to the heels. Left foot right. And sink this down. Right foot left again. Back down to the heels. Left foot right. And sink this down. Right foot left. Back down to the heels. Step your left foot right. And then sink down. Right foot left again. Down to the heels. Step your left foot right. Sink down. Right foot left one more time. Now stay here. Bring your left knee down to the floor. And take a figure four with your left hand. Bring the right ankle up onto the left thigh. Now keep the toes of the right foot curled. Keep your legs pushed together. If you can go further, both hands down. With the toes of your left foot tucked, lift your left knee and round yourself over your crossed legs. Just feel that stretch, especially into the outer right hip. All right, and just release the cross of your legs. Step the right foot back. Now with the toes down, sink back down to your heels. Bring your left foot forward to the right side. And then drop your right knee down. With the right hand, bring the left ankle up onto the right thigh. Curl the toes of the left foot, keep them curled. And then go ahead, bring the right hand down. Toes of the right foot tucked, lift your right knee and round yourself over your crossed legs on this side. Feel that stretch in the outer left hip. Release the cross, step your left foot back. Go ahead, bring your knees down. And you can come to a seat, take a moment, shake your hands out just a little bit. All right, and that is the 10-minute warm-up for this round. Thank you very much.